Okay, so that's the beginning parts of Toys in the Attic by Aerosmith. We're gonna have this. That's our main riff. I'm calling that Riff A. So we got the E, 2 to open on the D string, pull off, 2 on the A, back to the open D. So it's, you got that D, then back to this 2 on the 5th string, 3 to open, pull off. So it's. So 3 times of that, and you're gonna have a. This is like an A bass to a D power chord. So I got that A bass, and then I'm going down to the open 2 and 3. Kind of an upstroke because they're so fast. Here you can do the A bass again and hit the A power chord that time. So it's. You could just kind of hit like a scratch too, like. Or you could have that lead in note. Okay, let me do the whole riff again. So we do that riff 3 times in a row after that first one, so it's like 4 of them. So that would be 1 time through. Now on the 4th time through, we're gonna go. So we're gonna kind of go to the E bass, or maybe the A bass again, either one. But you're basically gonna hit this B chord instead of the other chord you were doing, the A. So it's gonna go. And that B now takes you to an A. A to E, D power chord, then D to A to G, and then D to A to B. And that'll start a new little riff there. So once again from the beginning, we got 2, 3, 4. So that's A, and then A, E, D, D, A, G, D, A, B. So once we hit this B power chord, 2, 4, 5, and then 4 to 2 on the G string, so, and then we go. So we got the power chord, dum, dum, and then open the A there. We got 4 of these chords with the open and the 4 there. So we got. So. And you just do that twice. And we're finished that, we got the. We're gonna go to an E power chord. We got this new thing. Okay, so really cool. So we got, and they got 2 guitars, so this is kind of set up for 1 guitar to try to get the harmonies going. So we got 10 to 9 on the B string, pull off. And then we're gonna go 11 to 9 on the G, but we're also gonna go 10 to 9 on that B again. So we get into a chord after that first pull off. 11 and 10 to 9 and 9, so. That's gonna go 7 on the G to 9 on the D. Part of an A chord here, 7 on the D, 6 on the G, so. And you kind of go from around the 12, slide it down to the A, same thing on the E. And that holds out as that chord did the first time. So we got. Hold that, and then. This last one, the 4th one, kind of go to the A bass on that one too, because that starts up the. And we're back to the beginning riff. Okay, so we had that B leading off again, and it was 4 times again of that main riff, so we got okay, we're gonna have this riff again. Okay, solo section starts. We're in a C power chord here. So we had that. That would be the second time of that one. Then we're gonna get into a C chord here. We got. So you got like 8 bars of like really fast, like 16th notes going on there. So you get into a thing after like those 8 bars or 16 bars, whatever it is. We got. That's back to that B flat 1 and 3 there. And it'd be like 8 of those or so, and then on that 8th one, you're gonna have this thing. So that was D to E, and that's that held out E chord that gets you into back into that part. And the 4th one. Okay, then we're back into the main riff. And we just repeat and fade that. So let's go back to that riff and let's slow it down a lot. We got. Let's try it about that fast. 3 and 4 and. Okay, one more time. 3 and 4 and. Okay, Toys in the Attic, Aerosmith. Got a tab with this. Hope you dig it. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.